In the early soft light of dawn, a private equity founder wakes in a sunlit penthouse to review a fresh donation proposal for a museum wing. He moves through a glass-walled studio, studying canvases with a curator, selecting pieces that tell stories of overlooked artists and underrepresented movements. A discreet luncheon with fellow patrons follows, where decisions about future acquisitions and mentorships are debated with candor and respect. Afterward, a curated studio visit for emerging artists reveals the careful balance of critique, support, and highly selective introductions to collectors. The day ends with a quiet reflection on legacy, philanthropy, and the enduring power of art to inspire tomorrow's leadership.